Hi, it's Joanna here. I'm glad you joined me. Recently, a good friend of mine asked me if I would paint something for her living room. She liked the picture I painted in January. If you want to watch this video, I'll put the link in the description box below. So she said she liked the picture and would like something in those colors, but not a winter landscape. For some time I was thinking about what to paint, and then spring came, the trees and flowers have started to bloom, so I thought I would paint a blossoming twig. The flowers are light or dark pink, and branches may be gray-brown. Colors as in the January picture, so it might fit. I made several pictures for her to choose from, and I decided to paint one of them in a simpler version for you too. I set the shot from a greater distance so that you can also see the mixing of colors. Although I mixed this pink before the shoot, I put a bit of yellow in pink color so it's not such a sharp pink. First, I painted the individual flowers and buds that will be in the foreground. Now I mixed a dark brown color, almost black, into the pink color to tone it down. These flowers will be in the background. Compositionally, I arrange it in such a way that the branch goes from the lower left side upwards and to the right. I paint flowers accordingly. If you can't imagine it like this, it would certainly help to draw at least the approximate shape of the branches with a pencil. And then paint the flowers accordingly. Sometimes it's necessary to draw the whole composition first with a pencil, but now I paint freely according to my imagination. I'm going to paint the branches, so I add dark brown again. It just seems very intense, so I wash my brush and pick up just a little bit of paint. I will paint twigs between the flowers. In our garden, the trees are finishing flowering and starting to turn greener. It's a very quick process. The joy of flowers is short-lived. But at first only the flowers bloom and the branches are empty, so I won't paint the leaves now. I'll take a thinner brush and paint some details on the twigs I already have and some thinner twigs. Now I add burgundy to the pink to give it a darker shade and paint the details on the petals and stamens. I will only do this on the pink flowers that are in the foreground. Now I will paint the background. The image will appear fuller and more interesting in color. First, I took green paint and mixed yellow into it. I added a little pink to get a warmer color. I will go like this with a brush between the twigs. I will add a little blue on top. The sky will be visible between the branches. I spread the paint with clean water. And little more green for balance. I will use gold color for the stamens. If you don't have gold or don't like it, you can use yellow, orange or dark pink. I don't use gold all the time, but now I like it. Of all the pictures I painted for my friend, I only used gold on one. I also thought that I would not paint dots on the flowers that are in the background, but dashes. Sometimes it's like that with gold color. When I take it in my hand, sometimes I don't know when to stop. So, we're done. Will you try? It wasn't hard, was it? I wish you success and beautiful day. Bye bye.